Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. I am so happy you're here today. I am Anna. Learning English is a beautiful journey and we are happy to walk with you. How are you today? Is the weather nice in your city? Today the sun is very bright here and I feel very excited.
Hello, Anna. Hello to all our wonderful friends. I am Tom. I am very happy and I am very calm today. The weather is a little cold here, but I have a warm sweater. I feel very positive. It is a perfect day to learn new words together. Remember, small steps lead to big results.
You are right, Tom. Small steps are the secret. Today we have a very important topic. This topic is perfect for travel. We're going to talk about the train station. Specifically, we're going to learn how to buy a train ticket.
Oh, I love trains. Trains are very comfortable. I like to look out the window and see the trees and the houses. But first, we need a ticket. If you don't have a ticket, you can't go on the train. It is a very practical situation for our English learners.
Exactly. Before we start our story, please remember to subscribe to our channel. If you like our lessons, click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help many people speak English fluently and happily. Also, write a comment. Tell us, do you like traveling by train?
Yes, please subscribe. Your support is very important to us. Now, let's imagine. We are at the central station. The station is very big. There are many people, there are many signs. Anna, how do you feel when you are in a big station?
I feel a little nervous, but also very happy. I like the sound of the station. Choo-choo! I like the big clocks on the wall. First, we need to find the ticket office. In English, we call it the ticket office or the ticket counter.
I see the sign. The sign says tickets. Let's walk there. My legs are moving fast because I am excited. Look, there is a person behind the window. That person is the agent. We need to be very polite. Being polite is very important in English.
Yes, Tom. We always start with a greeting. We can say hello or good morning. I like to smile when I speak. It makes everything easier. Let's practice. Hello, good morning. I would like to buy a ticket, please.
That is perfect, Anna. Very clear and very kind. The agent will probably ask, where do you want to go? This is the destination. Destination is a big word, but it just means the place you are going to. Tom, where are we going today?
Let's go to London. London is a great city. So the agent asks, where to? And I say, to London, please. It is a simple sentence. One ticket to London, please. Repetition is good, friends. Say it with me. One ticket to London, please.
Good job. Now the agent needs to know when. Time is very important for trains. Trains have schedules. A schedule is a list of times. I need to ask about the time. I can say, what time is the next train to London?
That is a very good question, Tom. Let's repeat that. What time is the next train? The agent looks at the computer. The agent says, the next train is at 10 o'clock. Oh, 10 o'clock is very soon. We need to move fast.
Wait, Anna. We need to know more. Is the train direct? A direct train is a train that does not stop in other cities. It goes from point A to point B very fast. I like direct trains because they are quick.
I agree. I can ask, is it a direct train? If the agent says no, then it is a connecting train. That means you change trains. But today, let's imagine the train is direct. It is a fast train. Now we need to talk about the price.
Money is important. We need to ask how much it costs. I can say, how much is a ticket to London? Or, what is the price, please? I always feel a little worried about the price. I hope it is not too expensive.
Don't worry, Tom. We can ask for different types of tickets. There are single tickets and return tickets. A single ticket is only for going. A return ticket is for going and coming back. Remember these words, single and return.
I want a return ticket because I want to come home to see my friends. So I say, a return ticket, please. The agent says, that is £50. £50 is okay. It is a fair price for a long trip.
£50 is fine, but wait, there's more. Do you want first class or second class? First class is very fancy. The seats are very big. You get free water and maybe a cookie. Second class is normal. It is also good and it's cheaper.
I am a simple man, Anna. I choose second class. I want to save money for a nice lunch in London. So I say, second class, please. I feel very happy because I am using my English to save money.
You are very smart, Tom. Now the agent asks, window seat or aisle seat? A window seat is next to the window. You can see the trees. An aisle seat is next to the path where people walk. I love the window. I love to see the world go by.
I like the window too. It is very relaxing. I say, a window seat, please. The agent clicks the mouse. Click, click, click. Everything is almost ready. Now I need to pay. How do you like to pay, Anna? Do you use cash or a card?
I usually use my card. It is very fast. I tap my card on the machine. Beep! The payment is finished. But sometimes I use cash. Cash is paper money and coins. The agent asks, how would you like to pay?
I have my credit card ready. I say, by card, please. I put my card in the machine. I type my code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. I feel a sense of accomplishment. I'm buying a ticket in a foreign country.
That is a great feeling. You are doing it. The agent gives you the ticket. It is a small piece of paper, or maybe it's on your phone. The agent also gives you a receipt. A receipt is a paper that shows you paid.
Thank you. I say thank you very much to the agent. Being kind is the best part of the day. Now I have my ticket in my hand. I look at the ticket. It has a lot of information. It has the platform number.
The platform, that is very important. The platform is the place where the train stops. If you go to the wrong platform, you lose the train. I ask, which platform is it, please? The agent says, platform number 5.
Platform 5. Okay, I see the sign for platform 5. We have 10 minutes. We have time to buy a bottle of water. I feel very thirsty when I travel. Do you feel thirsty too, Anna?
Yes, I do. Traveling makes me hungry and thirsty. I'm very proud of us. We asked for the destination, the time, the price, the class, and the platform. We used many new words today.
We did. Let's review some words for our friends. Ticket, station, platform, single, return, window seat, and price. These are small words, but they are very powerful. If you know these words, you can travel the world.
You are right, Tom. Friends, please try to use these words today. Imagine you are at a station. What do you say? Practice in front of the mirror. It is a very good way to learn. And don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful.
Yes, please like and share. We love helping you. I feel so happy when I see your comments. It makes my heart feel warm. Learning a language is about connecting with people.
I feel the same, Tom. I feel very empathetic towards our students. I know learning is hard, but you are doing a great job. Take small steps, one ticket at a time, one word at a time.
That is the spirit. Now the train is arriving. I can hear it. Choo choo choo. It is time to go to London. I'm taking my bag and my ticket. I am ready for a new adventure.
Have a wonderful trip, Tom. And thank you to everyone for listening to Mr. Fluent English Channel. We are very grateful for your time. See you in the next episode for more fun and easy English.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a beautiful day and happy travels. See you soon.